Have you heard about Popeyes viral pickle lemonade? It sounds crazy, right? But trust me, this sweet, tangy, and slightly salty drink is absolutely addictive. And the best part? You can make it at home for a fraction of the price. I'm about to show you exactly how. So, what exactly is pickle lemonade? It's a brilliant combination of tart lemonade mixed with savory dill pickle juice. The result is this unique flavor that's refreshing, complex, and keeps you coming back for more. If you love pickles or enjoy trying new flavor combinations, you're going to love this. You only need 5 simple ingredients to make this at home. Here's what you'll need: 4 to 6 fresh lemons for juicing, 1 cup of dill pickle juice. I recommend using Clausen or Vlasic, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 4 cups of cold water, and ice for serving. That's it. Simple, affordable, and you probably have most of this already. All right, let's make this. Step 1. Start by dissolving your sugar in 1 cup of warm water. Stir until it's completely dissolved. This prevents any grittiness in your final drink. Step 2. Juice your lemons until you have about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Pro tip: roll the lemons on your counter first to get more juice out. Step 3. Strain your lemon juice through a fine mesh strainer to remove seeds and pulp. Step 4. In a large pitcher, combine your lemon juice, the sugar water you made, and 3 cups of cold water. Step 5. Here's where the magic happens. Add your pickle juice. Start with half a cup, stir well, and taste. Then add more gradually until you hit your perfect balance. I usually use the full cup. Step 6. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This is important. The flavors need time to meld together. Step 7. When ready to serve, add ice, garnish with a lemon slice and pickle spear, and enjoy. Let me share some game-changing tips. First, always use fresh lemons. Bottled juice just doesn't compare. Second, the pickle juice brand matters. Stick with classic dill pickles for that authentic Popeyes taste. Third, make this the night before. The flavor gets even better as it sits. And here's a cool trick: freeze some pickle juice in ice cube trays. As they melt, they intensify the flavor instead of diluting it. Genius, right? Here's the best part: at Popeyes, 1 serving costs about $3. But this homemade version? You're making 6 to 8 servings for around $6 total. That's less than $1 per serving. You're saving 70 to 85% by making it yourself. This pickle lemonade pairs amazingly with so many foods. Try it with spicy chicken sandwiches, Cajun fries, wings, or even mac and cheese. The tangy, briny notes cut through rich and spicy foods perfectly. Want to make it a cocktail? Add 2 ounces of vodka or gin for an adult version that's perfect for summer parties. That's all there is to it. This Popeyes Pickle Lemonade Copycat is so easy, affordable, and absolutely delicious. Give it a try this weekend and let me know what you think. Find the full written recipe with exact measurements in the description below. And if you make this, snap a photo and tag me. I love seeing your creations. Now go make some pickle lemonade. Trust me, you won't regret it.